So, welcome to the course Healthcare Entrepreneurship. If you are interested to become an entrepreneur in the healthcare space, then this is a very exciting course and the first of its kind offered in the Indian subcontinent. So, myself, I am Dr. Arnab Chanda. I am a joint faculty with the Center for Biomedical Engineering at IIT Delhi and also with the Department of Biomedical Engineering at AIIMS Delhi. So, welcome to this course. Let us get started. Okay, so first of all, I would like to talk a little bit about the contents of this course and what you can expect. So, this course aims to train students on the conception to development to launching. So, end to end from the ideation stage to the final launching of a healthcare engineering product, specifically products which are critical for the Indian population. The students will study healthcare challenges and understand customer requirements, market need and competition, which will help develop product ideas suitable for the Indian market. The various steps of the healthcare product development process including specifications, tools for design and analysis, creation of minimum viable product which is popularly known as the MVP, prototyping, manufacturing and functionalization using electronics and robotics. We are not always working with products which are just standalone. They have robotics components, sensor components and whatnot. This will all be covered in depth, right. So, I have already introduced myself. I am Professor Arnab Chanda and I am also a founder of a company known as BioFit Technologies LLC. This is based out of US. So, I have a lot of startup experience with several products like in the healthcare domain. So, this is what I bring to the table. So, let us go further in the contents. So, also we will cover healthcare product testing through usability tests, simulated test marketing. These are some common management or marketing techniques. Beta testing and clinical testing will be discussed along with presentation of ethical considerations, regulations and standards which are very important for the healthcare space. Like if you are working on a healthcare product which may or may not go inside the human body, this has to be going through rigorous testing under the regulations and standards, right. So, we will talk also about several management concepts such as product branding. So, now that you have this great technology or the product, how do you brand this? How do you price this right? And how do you position this right in the market? What is the sales and distribution strategy? And how do you make sure that you can get the suitable or necessary set of customers to actually buy your products, right. So, that is called as customer acquisition. This will be studied with live examples and we will also have several case studies to really get some hands on how to implement this process while you have a product to take it to the market. So, the next step is key commercialization strategies. So, whenever we talk about commercialization, it is actually from lab to market kind of transition, including development of a robust business plan. So, there needs to be a very nice business plan in place. This will also be part of this course. How do you fundraise? How do you get enough amount of seed funding to make sure your product can reach to the market? Intellectual property. How do you make sure that nobody is able to steal your idea or copy your idea? So, that is where intellectual property filing comes into place. Creating barriers to entry. Barriers to entry basically means like others should not be able to quickly make your product and sell beforehand before you could go out in the market. So, creating barriers to entry and launching healthcare startups. How do you finally launch a healthcare startup with your great innovative product idea? So, the course objectives are completely in line with the Make in India and Startup India initiatives by the Government of India. So, we are very excited to bring this new course to the table and hopefully you will enjoy it.